Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best espresso machine under 200 you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best espresso machine under 200 on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which espresso machine under 200 are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Mr. Coffee Espresso Maker. We think this is the best espresso machine under $200 price range. If you are seeking an integrated coffee machine at a low price that still has enough functions to make a delicious taste, then this espresso and cappuccino maker can be the perfect choice. This semi-automatic model, which features an automatic milk frother, can produce espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos using its 15-bar pressure pump. The great thing about this machine is that it is so easy to use. That's really refreshing for machines that feature latte and cappuccino settings, which can be the biggest barrier for new users. This machine is well designed with a one-touch button, enabling you to produce one or double shots according to your preferences. Our second best espresso machine under $200 is Breville Nespresso Vertuo. The espresso machine is smart enough to ensure that each coffee cup has a similar result. It uses Nespresso's patented centrifusion technology, which spins capsules over 7,000 times a minute for better coffee extraction. The machine can read barcodes on the pods to automatically adjust its settings, so you won't have to fiddle with settings to get a great shot of espresso. This is one of the best espresso machines under this price range because it has technology that can identify the cup size and brew your coffee appropriately, which is not a common feature for an espresso maker. This attractively streamlined model features an intuitive interface and can brew 5 cup sizes. They are 1.35 ounces, 2.7 ounces, 5 ounces, 7.7 ounces, and 14 ounces. With a removable 40-ounce water tank, an impressive 15-second heating time, and a convenient auto-off feature, this high-end 10.85-pound machine has quite a few features. You also get 2-year warranty with great customer service. Number 3 in our list is DeLonghi 15 bar. Even if you are not a professional in making espresso, this machine is the best espresso machine under $200 that helps you to make a wide range of flavors of espresso. It features an easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe removable 44-ounce water reservoir and a manual milk frother. You can process all types of coffee easily with this machine. Thanks to its impressive bar pressure, which is up to 15 bar capacity, this machine can support you to have an excellent creamy shot of espresso. This espresso maker has a place in our list because of its attractive stainless steel and silver plastic construction and a sturdy stainless steel boiler. Let's watch how to clean it. Fourth recommendation in our side is Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine. This black and stainless steel finished device is a great option if you are on a budget. This machine can support many recipes including espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos. With the ability to pull 1 or 2 espresso shots, you'll be able to enjoy various cup sizes of your favorite drink. With the capacity of up to 15 bars of pressure, you will be totally satisfied with this Italia brand name. In addition to its milk frothing system and abilities, it is easy to use, with a removable water tank and drip tray. Not only that, the set also includes a cup warmer that helps to keep the best flavor of coffee until you have your very first sip. If you are on a budget, definitely consider a Hamilton Beach. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best espresso machine under $200 list is Nespresso Essenza Mini Espresso Machine. This mini espresso machine is suitable for a tiny kitchen. This model is a combination of beautiful design and functional programmable format that supports you to make a perfect coffee flavor at home. It's very easy to use, you just press the one-touch programmable button to make a cup of coffee. The only drawback of this machine is not suitable for different styles of coffee. You can only use Nespresso pods for your espresso. Decide that, you will be satisfied with the affordable price for long life service. Let's watch more.